Hello. Hello. Who is there? Hello. 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 Who is there? Who is there? Who is there? Who? Please tell me who is there. Miss Miranda. Miss Miranda. Miss Miranda. Miss Miranda. Milk. 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 Who in the class? Here. Hello.
You are first.
Yes. And then you and Lucas. Where's Lucas?
Maybe Lucas is going to eat a poo-poo.
Lucas is going to eat a poo-poo.
And Lucas going to say, "Oh, I want to go on the poo-poo."
Maybe Lucas is go poo-poo in the toilet. And Lucas is late already. Then Lucas take the computer in the toilet and learn.
And then Lucas eats the fall the first into the water very dirty of the poo-poo, and he eats. And
Dirty. The poo-poo is yucky in the world. The most yucky.
Yeah, the poo-poo in the
Yucky.
Hi, Miss Miranda, are you silly?
Hi, Miss Miranda, are you sleeping? Wait, you don't have a camera. Are you sleeping, Miss Miranda?
But how about Miss Miranda is eating calories? Calories is making everybody fat.
Yucky.
The first, hey, again, look at this. The first person got the golden ticket will be fat.
Yeah. Fat enough, beautiful. So I don't like to be fat.
The first person got the golden ticket will be fat.
Look, this is in my house. My house is very beautiful.
Here's my house.
Oh, looks good, right?
Okay. And I have a big Lego boat.
Hello, Ray.
Hello, Baghdad.
You are next first and milk next, and you next to milk.
Now, who is the next?
Yes,
Banana.
Banana is last from four of us. Let's see. We've gone to school already. Milk, me, and banana. These are four people in school.
Yeah. Hello, Miss Miranda.
No, Miss Miranda.
Wow.
Miss Miranda didn't go. What happened to you?
I I don't know. It's a bowl.
Miss Miranda didn't hear.
And back then. And I have a little pet too. Here is my little pet.
I have a Conan book.
I have a Conan book already. Doraemon I have already. Conan book I have already. A use of the model I have already.
I have a drinking. That is so yummy.
And you cannot. Here's my pen.
Hello everyone. Hi.
Hello,
Miss
Miranda.
We only have 4 people so far, so I'm gonna wait 1 or 2 more minutes, okay? See if any more of your classmates show up for class.
Milk.
What? What?
Hi, Susu. Miss Miranda.
Milk?
Yes.
What?
I have a new boat.
You have a new boat?
Wait.
Let's see it.
Wait.
We want to see the new boat, Banana.
But that is from Lego. The new boat.
Wait. Oh, new boat.
Miss Banana, Miss.
Oh, it's not.
Yes, me, Miss Miranda, Miss Kimai, Miss Nga, Banana, Milk, right, Susu. Susu go to class already.
Yep, now there's 5 of us, but there should be 10. We're missing half. Half of your class is not here.
Ooh, so funny.
So we have to wait on 10,000 minutes.
10,000 minutes. Maybe we'll wait 1 minute and see if anyone new comes up. Oh,
We'll take a nap.
yes, Nam's joined now. So now we have 6 out of 10. We're just missing 4 more.
Oh, Susu. Susu go to class already. Milk is the pa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now Cherry 7. All right, 7's enough. Let's get started.
Milk is the pa.
Let's see. All right, let's get started, everyone. Now we have 7 out of 10. Maybe 3 more will join us soon. If you have your science worksheet or your notebook, you will need it today, okay? So please have it next to you, okay? And for those of you writing your science experiment in your notebook, I'm pulling up an example. There we go. Okay, let's get started. First of all, let's go over our homeworks, okay? So I will share the screen. And we are doing our drawing check for homework on Class Dojo, okay? Remember, this was homework from Friday, but we'll check it on Class Dojo today. And we will check quizzes. Quizzes homework was also today, and then we will go over the quiz all together. So, looking on Class Dojo, I do not have homework, drawing homework. I did not get drawing homework from Banana. Banana had no drawing homework. Dinosaur, Nam. Nam, you had no drawing homework. Lucas, no drawing homework. Susu, no drawing homework. And Sunny, no drawing homework. That's half. 5 students did their drawing homework. 5 did not. Why? Are any of those wrong? Did any of you do your homework, but you did not send it? Nam, go ahead and unmute yourself.
Teacher, what did I do?
Oh, say one more time, Nam. Yes.
Did I do homework?
No, you did not do the drawing homework from Friday. You did your quizzes homework last night, but you did not do your weekend homework, where you drew a plant and labeled it?
No.
No. Okay. Banana?
I do already.
You drew a plant and you labeled the leaves and the stem?
Yes.
Okay. Did your mom or dad send in a picture? I guess not. Do you have it next to you, Banana? Do you have it near you so you can show me now? All right, while we wait for Banana, let's do quizzes. The only person who did not do their quizzes is Lucas. Good job, everybody else, on doing your homework. Thank you. And our star drawings. I already gave 1 point to Milk for being one of our star drawings. Very good job, Milk. Our other star drawing from the weekend goes to Rosie. Very good job on your drawing, Rosie. 1 point for extra effort. So Rosie and Milk were our star drawings. Banana, go ahead and show me. Very nice, thank you. I'll give you your point back. Make sure, remind your parents to send pictures of your homework, okay? Otherwise, I don't know that you did your homework. All right, Banana, I will give you your point back. Okay, there you go. I did it on my phone because it's easier that way, so your point is back. All right, so once again, good job, Milk and Rosie, and everyone who did their homework. The 4 people that did not do their drawing homework, you lost a point, and quizzes was just Lucas. So good job, everybody, on doing your quizzes. Especially Rosie, our #1 accuracy. Very good job, Rosie. And everyone else in this class, Cherry, good job. Sino, Moon, Susu, excellent work. And with that, let's do our quizzes together. Everyone, you can go ahead and unmute yourself. You can now unmute yourself and answer the questions. Okay, #1. Why do plants need space to grow? Anyone, go ahead.
The leaves need space to get sunlight and air.
All right, very good. Thank you, guys. They need space to get sunlight. A big tree would block the sun. What part of the plant is #1?
Flower.
Flower.
All right, flower. #1 is the flower. Okay, question #3. The flower blank for the plant. What does the flower do for the plant?
Make fruit and seeds.
Nice. Sino, first one. Nice work. It makes fruit and seeds. Number 4. Which one of these does not help a plant survive?
Rocks.
Nice. Good job. Nam was first that time.
Use eraser.
Use the eraser.
No. Eraser one.
Which part of the plant is number 2?
Stem.
Very good. Nice work, everyone. It's the stem. Number 6. How does this part of the plant help it grow?
Help them.
It holds.
It helps plants.
It gets sunlight.
So do the roots help it get sunlight? No. That's the leaves.
It's the hole.
Around.
Yes, it holds it in the ground so the wind can't blow it away. It holds it. Plants are
Living things.
living things. Very good, everybody. Another power up. I guess I should use our eraser. All right, the blank of the plant makes food from sunlight.
Leaves.
Leaves.
The leaves of the plant.
Very good. The leaves make food from sunlight, water, and air. What part of the plant is number 4? Nice. Milk was extra fast that time. How does this part of the plant help it?
All of the above.
Banana. That was fast, banana. All of the above. It takes in air, it takes in sunlight, and it uses those to make food. Nice work, everyone. Plants need the following.
Water, space, sunlight.
Very good. Excellent work, everybody. All right, you got them all correct. Nice work, everyone. You got them all correct. Okay, everyone. Oh, let's take a look at our drawing. So, Cherry, excellent work, Cherry. Very nice job labeling everything on the plant and the things that it needs to grow. Sino, good job labeling your plant. Milk, already got a point for star drawer. Milk, what parts of the plant did you label? Which parts of the plant?
Stem, root, leaves, flower.
Very good. And this one right in here?
Yes, roots.
No, fruit. There we go. Very good, Milk. I like your watering can. You show the air, the sun. Excellent job. Here's Ray's. Good job, Ray, labeling all of your parts. And Rosie, our other star drawer. Rosie, what plant needs did you label? Which plant needs?
The plant needs nutrient, water, and sunlight.
Very good. Excellent job, Rosie. Thank you so much. Okay, great work, everyone. So we are going to go on to, oh, you are awesome. This is for your drawing homework. Very good, everyone who did it. We're going to go on to our experiment worksheet. Okay, we need to do it every Tuesday and Friday. So everyone get out your experiment worksheet or your notebook where you've been writing down your answers. So if you do not have your worksheet, you have 2 things that you can do. Number 1, your parents, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, they can print out a new one. They can print one out for you to write on, or 2. You can write it in your notebook. Here from Zook, you can see Zook here. He wrote down date, plant, stem length, leaf size, observations. He made it in his notebook. If you do it this way, take up the whole page just like he did so that you can write Tuesday, Friday, Tuesday. You need a lot of space. You could even leave 2 pages in your notebook. But if you can, everyone please try and get the printed out worksheet. All right, this is on page number 3 of your plant experiment worksheet. Okay, so try and make sure you have this. Did anyone write anything down for Friday, the 14th of August, F14.8? Did anyone do this? I think Cherry did, right? I think Milk did. If you did, that's okay. If you did not, that is also okay. All right, most of us did not have any plans on Friday yet, so don't worry. If you did this on Friday, 14-8, that is okay. You will start here today, Tuesday the 18th of August. That's today. So if you filled in these boxes, all right, you filled these in on Friday, you will start right here, Tuesday the 18th. If you did not, that's okay. Everyone else start right here. You will cross out Friday the 14th, since we did not do that one together. And you will write T for Tuesday, today, the 18th of August. Okay, so if you've already done these, you've done these already, then you will write down here. You will fill in these boxes. If you did not, you do this. Cross out Friday and write T for Tuesday, today, the 18th of August, 18-8. Okay, so on Milk's, where he wrote it in his notebook, the next one would be Tuesday, 18-8. Okay. Are there any questions about the date or where you're writing? Okay. If you do not have this or your notebook with you right now, that's okay, but pay attention because this is your only homework tonight. So you need to know how to do it for your homework. Lucas, did you have a question? You need to unmute yourself so we can hear you. If you have a question, Lucas? No? Okay. All right, so plant conditions, the first part. Remember plant conditions? Does anyone remember what that is? Go ahead and raise your hand if you remember what plant conditions means. No? That's okay, it was a while ago. So plant conditions. Conditions is what something is like. Is it new, old, wet, dry? So the plant conditions is what your plant is like. Does it have no water? Does it have a lot of water? So pretty much plant conditions is the label you wrote on your plant. Is your plant condition no sunlight? Is it no water? So let's do an example. Milk. Milk, what labels did you write on your plants?
I don't know.
Do you have your plants next to you?
No. I don't know.
That's okay. If they're not next to you right now, that's fine. Cherry, what did you write on your plants? What labels did you write? Do you remember what label you wrote on your plants? No water, no sunlight. What are you testing? Who remembers theirs? Rosie, do you remember what you wrote on your plants?
My mom bring the seed back to home, but my mom said put it in the water a little bit of the time.
Okay, so are you growing your plants in the different plant conditions yet? Do you have them labeled no water, less water?
But I didn't.
Not yet. Okay, make sure you do that today, Rosie. All right, Zook. Zook, what did you label your plant with? What are your plant conditions? What did you write on your plant? Oh, his camera's off too. Maybe he's not in yet. Who can tell me? Hand raised. If you have your plants next to you or if you remember your plant conditions, what you're growing your plants in. Sino?
I have my plants next to me.
All right, Sino, what label did you write on your plants? What conditions are you growing them in?
My label in a plant is no water, a bit of water, and a lot.
Excellent. Okay, so these are Sino's plant conditions. Plant 1, no water. Plant 2, a bit of water. Plant 3, a lot of water. Okay, and maybe some of you might have 4 plants, so you just need to write a 4th column. This would be plant 4. Maybe plant 4 is normal water or no sunlight or whatever it is, okay? So 1 for each plant you're growing. If you're growing 3, you have 3. If you're growing 4, you have 4. 5, you're writing 5, okay? This is for Tuesday the 18th. Okay, so label that you wrote. No water, no sunlight, no air, whatever it is that you wrote. Okay, any questions? Any questions about your plant conditions, what you're writing there? Okay, next part, stem length. Stem length is how tall your stem is. How tall is it? How tall? How tall or how long? That's the stem length from the soil to the top of your plant. How would you measure that? How would you figure that out? Susu, how could you figure out how tall your stem is? What could you use to find that out, Susu?
We can use a ruler.
Excellent job. You can use a ruler. Maybe it's 1 centimeter. Maybe plant 2 is 1 centimeter, and plant 3, maybe plant 3 is 3 centimeters. So you put the ruler in so that it's on the soil, and you measure it from the soil to the top of the plant. 1, 2, 3 centimeters. Then you would write that. So how tall your stem is, that stem length, okay? And leaf size, leaf size. For this, you could use a ruler or use your words, okay? So I could use a ruler. Sorry, one moment. Ruler or words. There we go. So if I use a ruler, this would be 1 centimeter, my leaf. How big is my leaf? Or I use my words and I could say very small. Or I could say medium. Okay? So leaf size, you can use your ruler or your words. Are there any questions about stem length or leaf size? Stem length, you need to measure with a ruler. Leaf size, you can use a ruler or your words. Any questions? Okay, very good. Observations. Remember, observations are things you see, things you smell, things you feel. So color, are there flowers, smell, etc. That means more, etc. and more, like feel, which is touch. Okay? So for example, maybe the color is green, it smells nice, it feels soft, and it's a baby, so there's no flowers yet. Maybe the color is yellow, and there's no smell, and it feels soggy or wet, and the stem is bent. Maybe that means it's getting too much water. It feels soggy, wet, and the stem is bent over. Maybe the color is brown. It smells bad and the leaves are crunchy. Crunchy and hard. That would mean there's not enough water. Okay, so these are observations, what you see, what you feel, what you smell. So this is your homework. Milk, Rosie, if you're planting new plants, just send a picture of your new plants, okay? You won't have to do this yet. For everyone else who already has their plants planted, this is your homework. It should only take about 15 minutes. 5 minutes to measure how tall your stem is, 5 minutes to measure or write your leaf size, and 5 to 10 minutes to make observations about what you see, smell, and feel. So this is your homework. Are there any questions? So on Zook's homework, if you write it not on the worksheet, he writes the date. Okay, right here he has his plant conditions. Plant 1, it says is normal water. So he writes normal water. And then he measures it. On Friday it was 2 centimeters, maybe today it's 3 centimeters. He talks about the leaf size, maybe it's still small, and then he makes observations. Green, smells nice, and feels soft. Okay, there, 1 done. So there's an example, okay? Are there any questions about your homework? Any questions at all? Raise your hand if you have any questions. You're either sending a picture of your new seeds if you had to plant them again, or of this chart. So everyone should be sending a picture. Okay, I will see you all tomorrow. I made a fun Pokemon review game. We didn't have time to play today, so after we check homework, the Pokemon review game will be the first thing we do tomorrow. Okay, so we'll play our fun review game first thing tomorrow in class. All right, bye everybody.